Whoa! 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 Oh, hi there. I'm YESS, the airplane, and I'm doing great today. How are you? Actually, wait, don't answer that, because I really don't care. Anyway, more about me. I'm top-of-the-line flying equipment, so the $3,000 you're gonna spend on a ticket, totally worth it. Yeah. So, I'm made of extremely durable, micro, nano, techno, nitro, bono, material stuff. Not this time, Cloud, because I'm a super airplane, and super airplanes can go straight through clouds. Yeah, I'm cloud friendly.
I'm Mr. Turbulence, and I'm gonna make your ride bumpy and unsatisfactory for all your customers.
Sorry, Mr. Turbulence, but I'm equipped with state-of-the-art, pointy-nose technology that can cut right through your natural effects.
That's not fair.
Sorry, Mr. Turbulence, but you can't always win. Unless you're me. Silly Cloud, I thought you might find that funny. Anyway, on board me, you can choose from any of our complimentary refreshments, such as margaritas and hummus. Lots of hummus.
I'm a missile launcher, and I'm going to shoot down your plane.
Oh man! What do we got on this thing to defend from missiles? What? I just remembered! We have huge missiles that can shoot down other missiles and blow up entire cities. Next time you're going to Iraq, take YESS, the airplane.